What?
Josh?
I haven't really hurt myself too bad on a bike.
I was waiting for it, boy. I was waiting for it.
Yeah.
The first thing.
No
I knew it. I knew it.
1 second
I
in.
was waiting for
1
it.
second in.
We were all waiting for it. That was funny.
Oh my god. I cannot believe it. Oh gosh. Oh god.
Stop.
Holy shit, boy. I was just waiting for it.
I really didn't think you were gonna do it.
I gave you the benefit of the doubt.
I was like, no way.
I was like, not right 2 seconds in. I was like, nah, you're not serious.
Oh my god.
Oh, best topic ever.
Oh my god.
Sorry, but
All right.
Go ahead.
Bike accident. Take us there.
Oh my god.
Take us there.
set the scene, set the ambiance.
Paint a picture.
Okay, so the ambiance is I'm coming down a hill that spins around my middle school. And we had just done a full day of bike riding.
Stop.
You can't do it.
I think I'm just breathing.
He has labored breathing.
Yeah, it's exhausting being me. Anyway, and then I just remember. Am I actually yawning?
No, man. It's just
No,
so
no,
funny.
no.
For me.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Whenever when LT cracks up, it just cracks me up.
Yeah.
And then I remember kind of falling like the front tire and the back tire ended up on different levels of like concrete, just how I was doing it, but I tried to come back and then I just somehow lost control and just flew over the handlebars and just went.
Oh.
But I was wearing a helmet that had like a visor, so I didn't like smash my face too hard, just my chin a little bit.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good one.
All right.
Whoa.
Whoa. Is that big
Excuse me.
Heard you guys laughing.
Oh, y'all come for the story.
Yeah. Get in here, boy. Get in here, boy. Yes, sir. Me and Toy.
There's no way.
Came in.
We'll restart it.
We're talking about
Yeah,
We're talking about worst bike
stories.
accidents.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Josh,
biking accident.
restart it exactly how you did it.
You think one of these guys is talking to yawn when he talks? This guy starts the story with a huge yawn.
Josh.
He tries to tell us he doesn't do it.
I acknowledge I do it, I'm just unaware.
Hey, Josh, give it to us, man. What the fuck's going on?
Great, give us yours, man.
Oh man, we'll come back. We'll circle back to Josh.
I gave my story.
You already gave it.
Oh, I just want to hear you yawn again. All right.
Whenever Toy starts cracking, I'll let us die over here.
So I found.
Oh man.
Okay, Josh.
Yeah, I was waiting for that.
What? Tell your story again.
I heard it's a good one.
So
Oh shit.
Josh, I couldn't believe it earlier.
that one was intentional. I did that one on purpose.
Yeah, we could tell.
Okay. Oh wow.
We can tell you're organic ones now.
Yeah.
We know how they are. The one story legit had 7.
Kills me every
One story,
time.
8 yawns. I was like, bro, what is going on over there?
Yo, that night?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That
That was
was
excessive.
ridiculous.
No, I was like, are you good?
Yeah.
Like, your brain is seriously lacking
Look, even
oxygen.
that time, you're
And
not
I think you
telling
should take a break.
You're not telling us the story for that time, bro.
Take a break.
What did you
Yo,
say?
are you good?
It's a serious question. Are you good?
I just bursted out laughing, bro. That was so many. Oh, so many yawns.
I honestly didn't even notice.
Lies.
But every third word is a yawn.
Can I hear this fucking story?
It's not even the story we're laughing at. It was a yawn.
It was just the
Started off
yawn.
with a yawn.
So you're gonna
You
hear the
just
story and
start-
go, oh,
Man.
We've been
Okay.
roasting about yawns every night.
that's it?
It was a very generic story of just going over handlebars.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just yawn already.
Alright, let's do it. Since we have guests, let's do a double topic tonight.
All right,
Oh.